you're going to be in a lot of pain.
Yes.
Yeah, I find it's amazing.
That's good, and that's the thing. Everyone has their own little journey that they need to take. And yeah, I think
it's not a religion like vegans.
Exactly. That's exactly it.
It's not a religion. Do whatever works for you.
Yep.
Good.
Whatever's gonna make you feel better, right? As long as it's not like crack.
Some people just don't know that there's an option.
That's it, exactly. Okay. Do you want to run some water?
Okay.
Just to basically clean up the cable when it comes back, just because we know we're in the pit now.
Yep.
And
okay.
then,
You want to just
yeah,
turn it on and leave it on for a bit?
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, what's going on, guys? I just got the homeowner going to turn on some water. We're snaking out his main drain. We did this last year as well. He's got roots in the pipe. This goes to a septic that's probably 20 feet away probably. So we did pull out a little bit of roots already. This is going to be an interesting video, guys. We'll jump back into it in just 1 second. But while I'm here editing, I just want to let you know about the sponsor of today's video, which is Jobber. One of the things I really love about my job is as soon as the job is done, I get paid right away. It's easier than ever now with Jobber because they let the customer pay directly on my phone through the app. It's called Tap to Pay with Jobber Payments. You can access secure contactless card payments on site using just your smartphone. No extra equipment needed. It makes you look professional and gives your customer a fast, modern way to pay with no hassle. No extra gear, no extra payment reminders. Here's how it works. Just make sure Jobber Payment is enabled. Select Tap to Pay when you're collecting a payment on a quote or an invoice and have the client tap the card to your device. The fee is just 2.7% plus 30 cents per transaction, and that's it. If you're interested in trying out Jobber and making your payment process just as easy, there's a link down below. You can check it out for more details. This really helps me, and I want to thank Jobber for sponsoring today's video. Let's jump back into it. I didn't record that, but we did pull it out. Let's see if we can actually focus on this. Okay. All right, so we got the water running there. Let's see if we pull anything out. We got the little bit of roots there. Hopefully we got some more. What's that? Yeah, you can. That'd be great, actually. Perfect. Thank you. Right on the lip. I've had that happen before. It's not the first. Thanks. Definitely, it's never fun when you get stuff like that in the mouth.
It's a grass almost, but it's not.
Just fibrous roots.
You need the water still running?
You can shut it off now if you want.
It's running a bit low.
Yeah, shut it off, shut it off. Huh, let's go back in. You want to flip that back around? Thank you.
It's like a sock or something.
It's like a washcloth.
Oh, jeez. Alright.
There's always some surprises.
Find any gold anytime.
You know what? I only actually did find a men's wedding ring one time. It's like a gold band.
Yep.
Took it to the jeweler to see what they give me for it, and they're like, "I will give you like $20." Like, it's fucking gold. Like,
gold.
It's still got to be worth more.
It's gotta be like scrap metal, like
Yeah.
gold. What's raw gold worth?
Well, that's it, right? So it's like, but
Just weigh it and see how many ounces.
and then, but like it was only a cheap little thin one.
Hey, found it.
Yeah.
It's just like, surprise.
I had one guy working with me before. He found a bracelet, a diamond bracelet, and they said it was worth like, I can't remember if it was 1,500 or 15,000. But yeah. Oddly enough, my stepfather years ago moved into a house. He was renting a house,
Yep.
and he goes down to the basement and he's cleaning up the basement and whatever. And he found a ring there, and it looked like costume jewelry, right?
Look like, yeah.
And so, like, he was letting his kids play with, like, it was a huge, it almost looked like a Super Bowl ring. Like, that's how big it was, right?
Okay.
And so he was letting his kids play around with it, and he was low on cash one Christmas. So he went to the pawn shop. He's like, "Is this thing worth anything?" And they're like, "How much do you want for it?" Right? He's like, "Well, I just want to get some gifts for Christmas and stuff like that." And so, I don't know if he's like, "Well, I just want to pawn it," and like, I think he wanted like $500 or something at the time. Never went back for it, but it had like over 100 diamonds in it, and it's like, we were always curious to know how much that thing was actually worth.
Actually worth.
But
So you royally attacked that 12-foot mark.
yeah, I want to basically snake it until I don't pull out any more roots.
Yep. looks good. When looking at you when you're running this thing, it's like the line is talking to you through your hands.
Yeah.
It's almost like you close your eyes and
That's it. You're going off a feel, right?
and your hands are